Welcome to this Technic Force tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss how to add promotion accounts to VideoSeeder. I'm going to show you the quick way to get up and running with adding your promotion accounts to VideoSeeder using the default account settings. If we look in the Settings tab here, we can deactivate the default account settings by unchecking this box, and then we can use our own user account settings. But we'll be covering that in another video. For now, let's leave that box checked. And I'll just show you the quickest way that we can start adding promotion accounts to VideoSeeder. To access the promotion accounts page, we can either click the tab here in the left sidebar, or here on the dashboard, we can just look under the menu options and click promotion accounts. Either way, we're brought to the promotion account platform. VideoSeeder allows you to easily syndicate your videos to 10 different social media platforms that make it easy to promote your content. You can see I've already added quite a few platforms here, but it's so easy to add them again. I'm just going to cancel all these existing accounts, delete these accounts from VideoSeeder, and I'm going to start from scratch. And we'll see how easy it is to add all of these various accounts. There we go, nice clean slate. So to get started, let's add a promotion account. These are the 10 different social media platforms that VideoSeeder will syndicate your videos to. So to get started, let's pick Facebook. Facebook makes it really easy with their OAuth authorization page. All we have to do is enter our login information for Facebook and log in. Now Facebook recognizes that I had already linked VideoSeeder to Facebook, but if you're just coming for the first time, you'll see a window that looks something like this that asks you which Facebook pages you want to connect to VideoSeeder. So just select your Facebook page that you want to promote your videos to and click Next. And here you can allow VideoSeeder permission to manage your pages and publish, and then click Done. And that's it. We've now linked VideoSeeder to Facebook. So we'll click OK to finish. And we've added our first promotion account, Facebook. Let's go down here. We've got a lot more to do. Let's go with Reddit next. And VideoSeeder asks us to provide the relevant promotion account to promote videos. So we'll just provide this subreddit, r/internet marketing, and we'll add that. And that opens the Reddit OAuth authorization page. And we'll input our username and password for Reddit and log in. And that opens the permission page to allow VideoSeeder to access our Reddit account. So we'll click Allow. And that's it. We've added Reddit. Moving on, let's go to the next. Let's do Tumblr. Tumblr's OAuth page opens. We just enter our login email address. And you can use Tumblr's magic link or just use your password. And then we're asked to provide VideoSeeder permission for read access and write access, so we will allow both. And Tumblr has been added. Let's move on to Twitter. To add Twitter, we require a pin. So to do that, we'll just click the Get Pin button here. Once again, we'll add our username and password and authorize the app. So now that we've granted access to VideoSeeder, Twitter provides us with this pin. So we'll just go ahead and copy that to our clipboard. Now we'll head back to VideoSeeder and paste our Twitter pin in. Then click Add. And that's it. Twitter's been added. Let's do LiveJournal next. LiveJournal, we just input our username and our password. And it's added just like that. That was an especially easy one. Next, let's add another account. This time we'll add Blogger. And this opens Google's OAuth authorization page. We'll just put our Google account email in. Go to the next page. Enter our password. And then grant VideoSeeder permission to manage our Blogger account by clicking Allow. And here we can confirm our choice. We'll click Allow. And we can select which Blogger account we want VideoSeeder to have access to. And that's it. We've added Blogger. Let's go on to the next account. Let's do WordPress. WordPress we'll put in our blog title. And our WordPress blog URL. And our username. And our password. And then add. And WordPress has been added. Another easy one. Let's add the next promotion account. Let's add Bitly. So with Bitly, we have the choice to sign in using Google, Facebook, or Twitter, or with our Bitly account. Just enter your Bitly username and password, and then log in. Then we can authorize VideoSeeder to use our Bitly account. We'll click Allow. And now Bitly has been added. Let's add our next promotion account. Let's add Pocket. Now the Pocket OAuth authorization page opens. Connecting VideoSeeder to Pocket. We'll just enter our Pocket credentials and authorize. And there, now we've added Pocket. Okay, I think we have one more promotion account to add is Plurk. So let's go ahead and click Plurk to add that. And we'll enter our Plurk login credentials and then click Login. And then we can grant the app permission to access Plurk. And there we go, we've added that one. So that's all 10 social media platforms added to VideoSeeder. It's so easy. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks very much for watching.